Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I've got something fun and new and special to share with you. As most of you know, I sew along with Fort Worth Fabric Studios. The less sew along with Stay Spooky, which is the quilt that's on the wall behind me. But Fort Worth Fabric Studios has now started a new quilting subscription box. Yay! Oh, and it's upside down. I am so excited. This just arrived at my house this morning. I got home late last night from Las Vegas, and this came on my front porch step this morning. So it's a fun morning. So I cannot wait to get this open and see what they've done. If you are interested in this box, at the end of this video, I will link down in the description box below where you can go to get on the wait list because they are sold out currently. They are planning to add more each month. You know, when you start a new subscription box, you have no idea how many people are going to subscribe. So you kind of wait and see what the demand is. And so from each month going forward, I think they're going to add a few more and a few more. But there's a notification button that you can find through the link that if you like this box after you see what's inside, you can go over and click that notification to be notified when they have more boxes available. But this is the very first inaugural box, so I cannot wait to get this open. So I'm going to stop talking and let's get it opened. So they've got this fun sticker on the front, Fort Worth Fabric Studio. It's not removable, but it's nice that this is all together. My box must have been through something because it's really dirty, but that's all right. As long as the contents are fine. It was taped right here, which I've already cut the tape, and on either side, so it was secured really well. So let's get this open. Ooh, very nice. So there's an invoice right on top for the cost of the box, which I'm going to take out of here, and then I will show you what it looks like. It says, sew now, sleep later. That's really cute. Oh, I wonder if that's, no, you can't really remove that. That's a sticker too, and it's not removable, which is too bad because it's really cute. And then this is what the box looks like on the inside. So I don't want to tip it too far and everything falls out. But the first thing I see right on top actually talks about everything that's in the box, and it says the box value is $82.80. Now this box was, let me grab my invoice, $69.96. So $69.96 for this one. So it's on the higher end, but we'll see if what we get inside, if they're saying the value is $82.80, it's definitely more than what we spent. Well, let's judge by what we see inside here. And one thing that I see inside that I'm seeing right on top, I already have one of these, and the other day I was thinking I would like to have another one because I usually have more than one quilt going at the same time, is this quilt binding spool thingy. For lack of a better term. Let me take it out. And the other day I was making a quilt. I made a quilt last week and made the binding while the quilt was on the long arm. And so I got my little spool binder thing out and I wound it around. So you stick it, there's slots in the middle, and you stick a piece of it through there, and then you wind it all the you wind it all the way around, and you keep your binding on here, and I just stuck a pin in the end to hold the end of the binding until you're ready to bind. And then as I was binding, I took the pin out and I left it on here, and as I bound, it just kind of unwound, so I didn't have this big pile of mess on the floor, which was really nice. And I had a couple of quilts going, so I was like, oh, I wish I had two of these. So love that. I'm glad I have that. Can't believe I flipped that. Anyway, that's all right. Stuff happens. So that's the glitter binding spool is what it's called, and that is a $10 value. And then let's see what else is in here. That was that. There's they put little thingies all in here, so they're everywhere. So be careful if you don't want them all over your sewing room. But they're nice, and there's some of them are sparkly. The next thing I see in here, and let me get this open, is a little, these are called glam bags. They're from Moda. And this one says Stitched with Love, and it's a Christmas tree one, which is really cute. I saw this one in the Moda catalog, but I hadn't ordered it yet, and I really like it, so I'm happy to have that. I like their little glam bags. They're nice because they're great for taking to, they always have this in the center to keep it from getting, you know, squished or whatever, but they're like slightly padded, not much, but they're great to put notions and stuff in for retreats or going places. This also could work as a pencil pouch. Or if you got this, you could give it as a gift to somebody for Christmas. You could put, you know, some chapsticks and stuff in here for a woman, or, you know, whatever. They're nice little bags. I like their glam bags. So that was in there. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, there's all these things everywhere. Okay, Season's Greetings subscription box kit. And this is a $23 value, and this is to make a table runner. So here's, I'll just take it all out. Here's the card for the table runner, and this is a Villa Rosa design, and their patterns always go together really quickly. And as you can see from that pattern, it looks really, really simple. So I think that'll go together really nice. And it makes a table runner that's 13.5 by 45 inches long. And the fabrics are really pretty. I believe this is a, ooh, I got stuff flying everywhere. I believe this is a Modaline. I'm pretty sure I recognized it. I just can't think of the designer. Her name's Stephanie as well, and I can't think of her company. Let me see if I can find it here. I don't think I have a selvage with, It's Good News Great Joy is the name of the fabric line, but I can't think of the name of the fabric designer, the company. Her name is Stephanie, but I can't think of. Anyway, this is one of the fabrics. And if I find some more salvage going forward, I'll show you. Ooh, this one's pretty. Pine cones. And then, let's see. We've got these stripy stripes. Ooh, I have more on this one. Nope, not her name though. It keeps cutting it off. She's done a few really beautiful lines that have sold really well. She's a newer designer. Yeah, this one has her name on it, Stephanie Slowinski, but oh, Fancy That Design House. That's her company name. Fancy That Design House. It just came to me. She's a real nice lady. I met her last year at Quilt Market. Hope she's going to be there this year too. She's a nice lady. Here's the last. Oh no, there's not one last one. I dropped one. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, I like this one. This one has poinsettias. Very nice. Okay, so those are the fabrics we got to do the table runner. And then it looks like we got a coupon for priority processing. That's interesting. I've never heard of that from a company before. So if you order anything from Fort Worth Fabric Studios, there's a code on this paper, which I'm not going to show you the code. It says priority processing. So it's valued at $3.96. So apparently if you have a fabric emergency and you want it processed at the top of the pile, you can put this code in, and normally they must charge you $3.96 for that to happen. And so you got a coupon for that for free, which is kind of cool. And then, let's see. I'm not sure. Ooh, there's a lot of that confetti stuff in here. It is all over the fabric. I don't think, oh, now it's in my hair. Now I have confetti in my hair. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this because it's funny. There's so much in here. Look at all this in here. So I'm going to close this box up really quick so I don't spill all this all over my sewing space and all over myself. Because there's so much in here. Let me close up this box. Put it out of the way. Okay, so this bundle was also in here. And it's a Grunge Yuletide Mix Fat Quarter Bundle, and it's worth $40. Really awesome. And you guys know I love my grunge fabric, so I'm really excited about this. There's no specific project with this one, but that's okay because I actually have a few Christmas projects in mind that I'm going to be doing soon on my channel. So I probably will use some of this fabric, but I'm going to show you the colors. That's like an olive type green. This is, that's not Scarlet. I can't remember which one this is. I think this one's called Formula One. There's lots of reds in grunge, and they all have different names. This one's, oh gosh, the name is escaping me. That shoe polish, that like dark maroon shoe polish color, that's the color name of this one, but I can't think of it right now. I don't know, it's not, I apparently am still jet lagged. Here's a Christmas green. And this is cherry red. And this is like a mustardy gold color. There's a lighter green. A wine. This is golden yellow. And then a pine green. So lots of gorgeous fabric. Oh, I love it. I love grunge so much. And I will definitely use all this stuff. I'm just putting the greens sort of in a... So we got 4 greens. Here's all your different shades of green. We got the 2 gold colors or yellow colors. And then we got the 2 reds. One is cherry, one is Formula 1. And then one of these is like maroon, and whatever that other color is that I can't think of, the shoe polish color. Those 2. So really, really nice fabric. Laying it all together like this. Very Christmassy. So I'm super excited to have that. That is a lot of fabric. So we got $40 worth of fabric. We got a table runner kit. We got the bag. And we got the spool binding holder. So great box. I'm super excited. The minute that they said that there was a subscription box, I went over there and I got one. And I'm so excited I did because it sold out really quickly. I think within a day. Maybe not even a whole day. So I'm really happy to have this. And I can't wait to see what they do next month because so far, so good. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. And like I said, if you would like to get on their notification list for when they add more boxes, I will link that down below in the description box below this video. If you don't know what the description box is, it's that gray box right below this video. If you click more, you can see the link for this box. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned because there's going to be another Fort Worth Fabric Studio sew along coming up really soon. And of course, I will announce that right here on my channel. So take care and have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!